shoulder here, and I rotate it, everything in front of it, in front of the shoulder going out to the left, is considered forward. Because if you rig a character, you come out starting from the hips up to the spine, and then you go out to the arms. So that's considered forward. That's the right way to rig, right? It's just forward. That's what you call it, okay? So this is forward. If I move the shoulder control, everything in front of it, in front of that control, moves with it. So for example, if I select the elbow control here, everything only in front of it now will rotate. You can see now that the shoulder is not moving with it. Now if I go up to the wrist control, only everything in front of it will rotate, right? Now you're slightly getting some rotation on the forearm here because that's natural. You want some rotation on the forearm, but you notice that the elbow control is not rotating. So this is forward. Whatever you select, anything in front of it will move with it. That's forward. And this is very useful because it gives you good arcs. So for example, if I'm animating a walk cycle, or he's moving forward or whatever, I can rotate this up like this, and it'll give me a good arc. 5. And I'm going to switch this now from FK to IK. So if I just hit 1, check it out. Now I only have 2 controls. I have the wrist and I have an elbow control, which I didn't have this type of elbow control on the other FK. So what this means now, for FK, it works from the shoulder out this way. For inverse, it works from the wrist inwards. So if I move them, you notice that everything now to the left moves with it, right? So I can do all kinds of crazy stuff. I can even stretch them out. Every character has a stretchy feature, right? But now, I can put his hand on the table here. Now for this sort of stuff, even professionally, you have to eyeball it. There's no such thing as snapping this to the table or anything like that. So you actually have to come in here and move the thumbs, the fingers, so it looks like it's on top of the table. So move that down. And now let's just say it looks like it's on it. So I'm going to